Hey everybody, it's William Narod here, the Paradise Guy, coming to you from beautiful Ambergris Caye, and more specifically, Aquafino Island Resort and Spa. Thank you very much for viewing this video today. Today I wanted to share with you just some basic tips on what you should do if you're thinking about buying or investing here in Belize. The first thing is you got to take a trip down here. Come and see why Belize is one of the top tourist destinations in the Caribbean right now, and also why our real estate market continues to climb and grow on a daily basis. Secondly, make sure that you come down here and associate yourself with somebody who has a lot of experience in the market, understands the intricacies of doing business here, and understands the trends and the drivers and the leading indicators in this marketplace. Once you've done that, be sure to look at lots of different properties. There are different areas on the island. There is the south part of the island, there's the east part of the island, there's the west part of the island, and of course there's the north part of the island. All of them have completely different flavors, different pros and cons, and it just depends upon what you're looking for. Fourth, identify what your goals are for the property that you're going to own. Are you going to live in it? Are you going to vacation in it? Do you want it to have strong rental performance? Do you want it to be managed for you, or do you want to self-manage it? These are all questions you need to answer. And last but certainly not least, let's discuss financing, because financing here in Belize is different than traditional financing that you might experience back in the States. Here, a lot more money is required down, generally 40 or 50%, and the interest rates are considerably higher. That being said, there are options for ownable carry financing, and of course there are hard money loans as well. But generally speaking, Belize is a cash market. So when you're investing here, a good way to prepare for that is maybe to do a home equity line of credit at home, or sell assets at home and bring that money down here and put it to work for you. You'll certainly be impressed with the returns. So with that, thank you very much for joining me. As always, should you have any questions about anything I've covered here today, please don't hesitate to contact me. My name is William Narod. I'm the Paradise Guy. Cheers.